Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your passcode on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines and click settings. Now click privacy and security, and here you'll find passcode lock settings. Click on it and now enter your current passcode, and here click change passcode. Now just enter your new passcode. And that's it for today. That's how to change your passcode on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.